Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to check and replace the cycling thermostat on an electric Kenmore dryer. The cycling thermostat regulates the dryer's temperature so it operates at the most optimal level. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss our latest repair guides. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a 1/4-inch socket, a putty knife, and a thermometer. While you're getting those together, remember to keep safety first. In order for moisture to be removed from the laundry, the heat needs to be high enough to turn the water into a vapor. The cycling thermostat measures the temperature leaving the drum so that it keeps a consistent temperature inside by turning the heating element on and off. But if you have a weak or failing thermostat, it won't allow the element to stay on long enough, which means it keeps the air temperature in the drum too low. When this happens, the water in the clothes doesn't turn to vapor, and the clothes stay wet and warm instead of drying. To check the thermostat, take the laundry out of the dryer and pull the dryer out far enough to get behind it so you can access the vent port. Now you can remove the vent and turn the dryer on to a timed heat setting. Use a thermometer to measure the temperature coming out of the dryer. It should be somewhere between 125 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's in this range, then the thermostat is good. But if it's not within that range, you'll need to replace it. If you have the same problem, let's replace it together. First, you need to make sure the dryer is unplugged or the breaker is turned off so you can keep yourself safe. Open the door and remove the lint screen. To access the cycling thermostat, use your putty knife to press in on the 2 clips and remove the bottom access panel. Then use the 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the screws holding the blower housing cover and set it aside. This would be a good time to clean it out. You can find the cycling thermostat on the top of the blower housing. You need to remove all 4 wires. Then use a 1/4-inch socket to remove the 2 screws. Once you do that, you could remove the defective thermostat. Here's the old thermostat, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to install the new thermostat using the 2 screws. Next, you'll reattach the wiring, then install the blower housing cover with the 1/4-inch screws, and install the lint screen. Once you put the access panel back on, it's a done deal. Don't forget to plug your dryer back in or turn that breaker back on because they tend to not work without power. You made it. Great job, and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a new cycling thermostat yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos and of course all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time.